welcome back to What Karen Loves, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite beauty products. So let's get started. I got some skincare and I got some hair care products, some makeup products as well. I just want to show you some of my favorite beauty products. Let's get started, shall we? First and foremost, we got this little bad boy. As you guys know, the giveaway is still going on. The link will be, well, it will be pinned in the comments down below. I don't know what's going on with the link in the description, but it will be down below in the comments below, so go check it out down below. I did get you guys one of these for the giveaway, but this one is mine, and I've been using it the last few weeks, maybe a month now, and I really love it. It feels so good on your skin. I did it today, and it just makes your skin feel so clean and fresh, but I love it. So this is one of my favorite products right now. And coming in number 2, we got this little baby right here, which is First Aid Beauty, and it's the Auto Repair Cream. I've been using this a ton lately. My skin is very dry. It really is. So I have to take really good care of it. It's really sensitive as well. This works wonders for my skin, and it helps so much with my dry and cracky skin sometimes. Okay, coming number 2, we got this little number 3. Number 2. I can't count today, guys. I like to apologize the video didn't come out tomorrow, but yesterday I felt horrible. Today I feel better. Coming number 3, we got this baby. I don't know if I talked about this in another video. I know I've talked about it a few times, and maybe makeup tutorials and stuff like that. I can't remember, but anyways, I wanted to talk about it anyways in this video. This is a recent buy. I think it's been a few months since I got it, but this one is amazing. I love it. It's a neutral, healthy skin liquid makeup, and I love the color. I love how it feels. It's on my skin today. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it looks so good, and it goes good with my skin. It's in the color Natural Ivory 20, and I just love how it looks on my skin. It feels natural, you know what I mean? The lighting is, hopefully the lighting is not too horrible. It's really gray outside, so I'm ready for the sun to come on, you guys. Okay. Coming number 4, we got this baby, which is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, and it's the 4-in-1 setting spray. Well, setting is about the same thing. This is from the Tarte collection you guys might have seen in the Sephora haul on IGTV. And I used this today, and just love how it smells, and I love how it feels on your skin. I think it's one of my favorites right now, and I really like it. Okay, coming number 5, we got this baby as well, and this is the Free Your Pores Witch Hazel, and it deep cleans and clarifies and refines pores, and I have to say this one is my favorite as well, because you guys know I love skincare, and anything that helps my skin is a wonderful find for me. And my skin is sensitive, dry, and just everything is going on with it sometimes. And when I seen this product and the other one that you guys seen in the giveaway products, I had to get one for myself, because I love your, and I heard about so many good things about Witch Hazel, so I had to get it, had to try it, and I had to say it's really good, and I love it. So just saying, I love it. Just love it. Okay, number 5 is this, of course, Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and it's, of course, the 24-hour anti crease, and I'm still kind of working with it, but I have to say it does work wonders. I like it. It's like the eyeshadow primer. I've been wanting to get some eyeshadow primer for a while now, and I wasn't sure which one to get because there's so many, and I saw this one and I thought, hey, let's try it, you know. And I like it so far. Still trying to feel if it's my favorite, but I like it so far. And coming number 6, we got this little baby, and it's Secure Hydrotherapy and Wet Skin Moisturizer, and I love it so much. It's my ultimate favorite thing to use on my skin right now, especially in the mornings and when I feel like my skin is really dry and needs some type of really deep moisturizer, and this one definitely is it. It feels so amazing on your skin, especially after you wash it as well. It just gets right into that skin barrier, I guess is the word I'm looking for there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is number 8. I'm miscounting, so if I'm miscounting, I'm so sorry. But this one is the Tarte, and it's the, I can't remember what it's called. So here we go. It is the Hydrating Boost. I guess it's moisturizer. That's what I'm going to call it because I can't remember the name. I threw away the box. But as you guys see, it's been one of my most used lately. And I love how it feels on your skin, especially after a wash as well. Usually most of my hydration stuff and my moisturizer I use before, you know, if it's like it's a day where my skin's dry, I use I'll wash it sometimes and then I put the moisturizer after, or just go with the moisturizer because it helps too, just without, you know, cleaning it. Alright, another favorite product recently, as you guys may have saw in a makeup tutorial, I believe, is this one recently new. It's the Romantic Rose, and it's a blush, and I love it so much. It looks so good. I'm wearing it today. I just like the color, and I love the design too, because I love roses. It's my favorite flower. I like sunflowers too, but I haven't got them yet. This one is actually from FabFitFun. I got it not recent. You guys know that FabFitFun unboxing I have been using the last few weeks. And I have to say, I love it. It feels so good on your skin, and it's a big freaking thing, and it smells so good. I have to say, it smells so good. It smells so good. So, I don't know if I can find some of these products, but I'll try. No promises. Okay, another favorite product is actually also from FabFitFun. The unboxing is this guy, and it is leave-in conditioner. I can't pronounce the name, so I'm not even going to try. But it helps untangle my hair because it gets untangled so much. And it smells so good as well. So I have to say this is definitely one of my favorite hair products right now. One of them. You see the other one in a minute. Okay. Another favorite product X. We're going to go product X because there's two of them. This is the Bruno. I think you saw it maybe in the Sephora unboxing as well. This is the Scrap of Revive. And this is the Don't Despair Repair conditioner, and of course it's a shampoo. I love these so much right now. I'm gonna have to get bigger like things. Like I've been using these so much, and it feels so good on your hair, and like your hair feels so soft and just clean, if you may will, and it just feels so good. I have to get some more. Alright, next favorite product right now is this Ultra Repair Canvas and Oat Dry Oil, and this is First Aid Beauty, and I've been using it because my dry skin and sensitive skin is just horrible, and it's oily as well. So like it helps, it really helps, you know, get into that skin that it just helps repair it a little bit. And I use it right here. It's where I really get really dry and red, and my right here too. But mostly right here. My forehead is the most dry, sensitive thing on my skin. Even though my whole skin usually is dry, but up here is usually the worst. So this one is definitely a must-have if you have the same issue. I use it every so often when I see it's real red and cracky, I guess you would say. Alright, another favorite product is from Drunk Outfit, and it is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. It's the cream, and it is definitely must used in my life. I use it, I haven't used it much lately, but usually I use it when I'm feeling I need to get more moisturizer on my face before I do makeup or something. It's like in my makeup area. Alright. Last but not least, this is the last one. I'm actually wearing it today. It is the Tarteist Pro Remix. You guys seen it probably in the Sephora unboxing as well. And I'm wearing, I can't remember, I'm wearing this color right here, which is the inspiration, and then I'm wearing Sway as well. I thought that was really beautiful colors together. So yeah, I'm actually very excited for the next makeup tutorial because I finally have a new table. It's I'm very excited because like it's a really big upgrade for my makeup room, well, recording room, I should say. I've been really wanting like a makeup table, you know what I mean? I just really been wanting one. So I finally got one. I could find one that was cheap enough, or you know what I mean, had the lights on the mirror, but this one is still cool. I might try to take a photo of it and upload it on Instagram, so go check it out on WhatKarenLoves one. And anyways, also go check out the giveaway. It is going on. I believe it ends the 31st. So go check it out. I will have it pinned in the comments below. It's also on What Karen Loves, on the Twitter, on the Facebook page. Everything down below, and below as always. I've been putting it in the description, but for some reason it's been hidden. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea why it's doing that. Don't ask me, I don't know. It's the first time I've ever experienced that because I used that company a few times to my giveaways. I never had that issue before, so I don't know if it's just I don't have that much subscribers with What Karen Loves, or it's just YouTube being YouTube. I don't really know. So, like I said, it will be pinned in the comments below just in case it does it again. I will put it in there. I just put it in the description, you know, anyways, but I'll put, you know, if it doesn't show up, just to go in the comments because I'll put it in there. So I'm very sorry that the link, I don't know why it's doing it, but I wish I knew. So anyways, that's all I have guys today for my favorite beauty products. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm also going to be trying to go to the makeup blowout sale they got going on in Virginia Beach today. So stay tuned for a haul if I do get anything from there and if I go. So anyways, that's all I have guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and comment down below what you'd like to see soon. I hope I'm going to do a makeup tutorial soon, but I've been trying to clean up this room and make it more better looking because it's a mess right now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon. And there should be a new blog up, so go check it out right now in the description below. I don't even know what I did, but go check it out and go give it some love. And anyways, and also don't forget to subscribe. Go give it some love and check out the latest video. All this stuff will come eventually, but go check it out and check out the eye for the main channel. And I'll see you guys soon. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye.